What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And guys, today, yes sir, we are headed down to Memphis to pick up a car. Oh no, we lost one. We lost one already today, but no, it's going to be a good day because we're going to pick up a Viper Blue Coyote swap car. Yes, here shortly.
Yes,
So we got the end closed out, and we're going to head down, pick this thing up. Dying to see this car, and dying to build it, because this is the third customer car we got coming in, and of course there's lots more coming in, but as we get room and as we get to a point where we can bring them in and actually spend time with them and work on them, we bring them in. Yes, we do pick up your car on your dime, and but not from like California or something like that, but if needs be, we can come get the car too. We'll just do it all. So let's get on the road, get this car. See what's up. Good God, talk about a bag job. Jeez.
That's what you need right here, Caleb.
Yeah, that's all me right there, buddy.
It is. It's all you.
Tucking Alcoa 24s.
Camaro.
Let's go inside. Holy God. Alright, so you gotta tell me about some of these.
That's a 64 Impala.
Wow.
SS. It's got LS7.
That's the blueprint.
Check it out here.
Yeah, I got
Oh.
my 68 hatchback.
It was a convertible. There
My car is clean.
was no car left, basically. We just started with a whole fresh.
Man, that is amazing.
Street Performance did all the exhaust and everything, cut it into the frame, did all that for me, polished it.
Oh God. Yeah, that is amazing.
I mean, just pretty much, it's going to be the same build this year.
Alright, so actually the reason we're here
Yeah, that
though.
one, yep.
Man.
Those wheels are
Yeah.
going to be on it now. Make sure
Yes.
to put that in the video. The
Yes.
wheels will be changed.
Yeah, there lots gonna be changed. Oh man. Okay. Very, very nice.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
The K member's already in it.
Yeah. I got
I got an 04 Cobra rack. Y'all will have to shorten it or either change the
Yeah,
tie-in
yeah,
rod.
yeah.
I gotta
Okay.
expand
That
it.
Stifler transmission crossbar worked great.
Yep. That's what we use on all of them. They're phenomenal. Wow.
Oh, the coilover, Maximum Motorsports coilover. It's got the torque arm,
Yeah, that's what's on mine
the
too.
hand hard bar.
Yeah.
Everything Maximum Motorsports got, I pretty much bought.
It's got the Yukon axles already put in it. Everything's got the
I got all new
brake
boot and shifter bezel. I'm taking all
Okay.
that billet bullshit out. I want it all just black,
Man, that's beautiful.
And I got the Florida 5.0 gauges in my car. I got to give you guys.
Okay.
I got the Scott's Rod's trunk kit going in as soon as you
Yeah,
get
he's
back.
gonna do that.
Okay.
Once I get back. He's
I
gonna put the
put all the
fingers
stuff
on
in the
it
trunk.
in my car
boxes.
You know, once it gets back when it finishes.
Okay, so this, and you said this is your personal car.
Yeah, it's my personal.
Holy God, what are these, like 20 by 11s or something?
Those are 24 by 13s.
Wow.
Yeah.
Holy
It's
God.
been cut now. I ain't gonna lie. It was rusted out. I'm flushing the glass.
Okay,
Plus
very
the
nice.
back glass is done. I took all metal trunk, but see the back's gonna be the cooler. It's got a 68 fastback bumper,
Oh man,
but then it's got this is off of the 69 Camaro.
that's awesome.
But you know I gotta make
This
something.
diffuser, yeah, that looks amazing. What engine's going in
It's
it?
a Pro Charge 347
Very nice. Very nice.
T56.
Jeez. All right, guys. Here is your power plant for the car. Good almighty. Ford Racing 106. CJ Manny. T56. What gen motor is this? Do you know? Is it Gen 1 or 2?
It's out of the 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 2010. 20
Okay, so it'd be Gen 1.
Yeah, it's a 10.
Okay. Yeah, I don't see where it says. 'Cause that would be. Oh well. Yeah, and then of course T56. But yeah, that's gonna look sweet. I love the.
Jeremy, isn't that a 10? It's not 2010 Mustang here.
2012.
12? Okay, it's out of
12. Okay. Yeah. Very, very nice.
It's only got like 5,000 miles on it.
Other Cook's X pipe.
Yep.
Yes,
Here's
sir.
the-
Brand new.
I got the
Hydro boost.
battery trunk relocation kit. The
Okay.
Yeah, all the
Perfect.
wires are run to the front already.
Hey, there's your injectors.
Yeah, it's
and
the
all that.
injectors.
I wonder if that
That's-
harness ain't in there.
No, I put this in because I took it off the old intake when I put that
Oh, I
on.
got you. Okay.
And then all your, you got your
air motor fuel.
air motor fuel stuff, all your
Okay.
front drive pulleys,
And it's
everything
got
in there.
the stealth gas tank
It's
with the
already in it.
in-tank pump
Oh, nice.
It's already on
Okay.
there.
from Air Motor.
Looks like
It's
you got
brand new
part of
gas
the.
tank.
Yeah, it's all brand new stuff.
That's the
That's the torque arm.
torque arm brace.
You want us to try and use that torque arm, or I don't know if we can, to be honest with you.
It fit. Now I had it up in there,
Yeah.
but the only thing was they had the 4 braces had to be welded to the new
Yeah.
connecting.
I'm just wondering, like the way with the engine, the different engine and trans, if it's gonna be, if the links are gonna be
It
right.
was something that was.
Well,
I'll be
okay.
honest with you. It was something fun when we had it up in there. I was like, I don't know where it's
And
going
did
to
you
fit.
have
Yeah.
the spacers for the K member? Are
It's
they
on
in
it.
The
They're already
spacers? Okay.
Yeah.
They're
Yeah.
already on it. The drop
And it's a
was-
maximum K member, isn't it?
Yeah.
Everything's maximum.
Yeah.
Everything's maximum.
All maximum.
Just like my car,
Full-
dude. It's the best. It's
But
it's.
he wanted to put the spacers in there so it would drop it.
I got to
Yeah.
order a Maximum Motorsport steering shaft.
Okay.
You know, to go with the. I had to rob it to put on my GT.
I got
that rag
you.
joint was.
Yeah, you got her spaced down pretty good. Yep. She's good to go.
We'll just push it out and go that way with it. That way it's good to out of the way.
Oh, that pain in the sun though.
Motor. Ain't nobody gonna come through.
Yeah.
Say.
Let it sit there for a minute. Man, that
Painted all
thing's.
that up. That's what he's painted it up. It was all just chrome polished out.
Wow. That thing is detailed front to rear. Got the Vortec on it.
I got an LS picked off.
Wow.
Both the sides. The motor the LS's up. I got to think both ears. Yeah.
That's amazing.
We got them come in deals, so we go,
We got the El Camino over here.
I ain't gonna throw them over my table when they use
LS swapped. See, this is a cool LS swap. Just don't put them in a Ford.
Yep. I got a green one somewhere, but I think it's on one of the LS's. Let me think how we can. I don't know.
Oh, that intake's gonna make it a little difficult.
Yes, it does too. It makes it hard to get it up that high. We can.
Yeah, we can take the intake off. Is it even bolted down all the
Yeah,
way?
it's bolted.
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna make no difference taking it on.
No.
All right,
I
so
mean,
let's
our
see.
problem's not this, it's our
Yeah,
problems hitting the
hitting
valve
hits.
covers.
Yeah, the valve.
Man, that's crazy. Good God. It's like a toy box in here.
This worked so much easier for me on the LS stuff. But Fords was new. Well, I drive Fords, but all my customers can't stand it.
I can imagine.
I get so mad when they swap with LS sites. I'm telling you, I go off on them like, man, what you doing that shit for, man? I don't understand the Coyotes the shit.
Exactly.
We could vote just like the old way, but
Ooh. Yeah, this is gonna be rough.
it's gonna be rough, really, any way it goes. Let me think here.
All right. So we got the engine loaded up. Think she'll sit?
Ain't get enough straps on it.
Oh yeah, she's
Loaded up and ready. Probably take this cold air intake off just to make sure it doesn't go flying.
The shop I had there getting the rear.
But
suspended
super neat stuff here. I guess this is a 68.
He didn't take. He's not a pretty guy. He's one of them guys that gets it done, So he don't take care of nothing while sitting. And I'm like, man, dude, you can't do
That's
this,
neat.
man. You know, I was finally went over to him and said, look, if
It's
you
a
don't buy
Charger?
car or something,
69.
69 Charger.
he's like,
This is a Dukes of Hazzard
Yeah,
car,
440
basically.
big block. It's got a Tremac TKO 600.
Jeez.
nah, it's
Wheelwood, big
That's
brakes
some
all around.
giant freaking.
ADV1 wheels, baby.
but they don't want to do
That is neat.
when these race cars, these guys over here go get stuff done, they wouldn't have done none right now.
Yeah,
So that's all
like
they're
yesterday.
And then so he'll take them in and does them in front of everybody. And then he doesn't get his work.
Oh, we can't forget your headers too.
Yeah, we got the extra wrap to
Right
wrap
there.
the rest of them too.
Okay. Yeah, he told me about
And all the
that.
2 sensors, they're in the back, in the trunk of the car. I'll show you everything's in the trunk of the car.
Okay,
All that's
perfect.
in
Perfect.
there. And then of course there's a box in here. It's got all the stuff in the y'all need.
Yeah, we'll make sure we grab all it. Man, this thing is just unreal. That's crazy. Jeez. We got more
There's
parts.
the new AC compressor right there.
And
This is another starter. What it was, this one didn't clear the headers.
yeah, that ain't gonna
So he's
happen.
got one on there that
I had
clears
to buy another one.
Okay.
It's on there, but this
Okay.
is the extra one.
Very cool.
That's
And the
full
torque
bar.
arm.
Alright. It's all
And
your suspension for your rack. This is for all the torque arm.
Got it.
And then the brake lines, or the brake cables, e-brake.
pedals.
That's what holds all that
upsteer. Perfect.
You got your, and these are the new pieces he got from Ford
Okay, yeah.
for the rack.
That's
Alright,
it.
now it does have the offset bushings in these ones.
Perfect.
Okay.
Yep,
But this
gotta
rack
have
was so
those.
long, you know, when these pieces, they actually touched.
Yeah.
And there was no threading to them, so I mean, you couldn't do it. They're gonna have to be shortened. But then he's also got all the bump stereo. You got everything in there.
Okay.
That's for the suspension. Now, in the trunk's got all the exhaust stuff, all the
Nice.
fuel stuff. Now it's a brand new fuel tank. It's got the stealth system in it. It's got all new mounts. All the plastics new on the bottom, so everything's brand spanking new on the fuel.
Cool.
What'd you make that arrow for?
Carl.
Man, we need those seats in the car
Make a
too. Those are
sign.
sick.
Yeah, that's that TMI. Man, I just became a dealer for them because I wanted
Wow.
to try them. And not bad for $1,100 for
Yeah.
a set of seats that are covered and done.
Yeah, that's not bad at
Come
all.
with the seat brackets for my old square body Chevy.
Very
And
nice.
it's just easier to buy them done instead
Yeah.
of just worrying about a shop taking forever and charging you.
Everything.
Yeah, that thing is pretty. Here, we'll just set it back here for now. Got the cold air already in there.
You want me to set this with it?
Yeah, yeah, I'm moving. Man, that is just those cobalt. It like the cobalt even matches the paint.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's gonna look beautiful. We'll move this. Probably put this over here on the other side by that cold air.
Yeah, I want to do some gunmetal wheels on it, you know, to match the motor scheme, you know, and all the Scott Rod stuff we painted.
Yeah,
Something gunmetal look good.
Yeah,
on that blue.
that looks amazing. Especially once you get it out in the sun, it just
Oh,
starts
yeah.
popping.
I can't wait for it to be in the car.
Yeah.
I've been waiting
Yeah.
on this day for a while.
Keep an eye on the videos.
At first we was waiting on his shop, and then we had to wait on my little hiccups.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been a long time.
Yeah, there she is over there.
Like I said, I got 2 other cars too.
All right, guys, so we're fixing to get this beast loaded up. Telling you guys, you are going to love this. This is gonna be sick, y'all. Look at this mint black interior. Yeah. The world is not ready. Look at these quarter glasses. Paint is slicker than snot on ice. Yep. And it's another coupe. Had to be another coupe. Alright, so there's the headers. Got the Cook's 1 3/4.
And remember these thread, he said this is the thread pitch. These won't work no more. These were the old ones.
Oh, okay,
This
yeah.
is the thread pitch we need.
Okay. Perfect. Yeah, we can get
You know, we'll
those.
need to get these in that thread pitch.
No worries. You should have got some of those Makers scuff plates.
I'll buy some.
Yeah, that's what I've got on my car. They're phenomenal. And like once you go to align it, you're not going to scratch
Yeah, I
that
can still
paint.
put them on, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll go ahead and order
Yeah.
some. Anything else, just give me ideas. Like I said, I'm
Okay.
open. Anything you see that I need to do, let's do it now. I don't want to have to, you know, I want
Right,
to be done.
come
When I
back
get it, I
and-
want to just do burnouts and shit.
Love how you got the PCM mounted. That looks great. That looks amazing. All right, let's get her loader up.
Figure out just winch it on there. We ain't gotta
Yeah,
push it in there. I would hope not.
she rolls great.
You gotta come pick his truck up tomorrow.
All right.
I wouldn't think he thought it like
There we Get her winched on up there.
Doesn't take long.
There she goes.
Gonna be pretty for sure.
Oh man, it's gonna be a beast too.
Yeah, I'm like I said, I love coyotes. My boss is fun, but
Yeah.
it's like having a brand new car. You know, it's not.
It's like my car, man. It's so rowdy and so loud, and just, I mean, it just does stupid stuff. Anytime you get in the gas, it's just like, it's the perfect car to just get in and get rid of some aggression. And
I've got a Mystic SN95 that I took to JMS in Lucedale years ago. About 5 years ago. And JMS, they did a Roush 4.6 in it. And put a Pro Charger on it.
all right, guys, so that is what's up. This is build number 3. This car is going to be insane. Full Cook's exhaust like mine, full Maximum Motorsport suspension like mine, mint black interior, Viper blue. So yeah, this is build number 3, and this is in addition to Lee's convertible and of course George's Leadfoot Gray 18. So I know you guys have been waiting a long time to see all the builds that are coming into the shop, and I've been promising, but here we go. It's finally starting to pop off, and of course then you got the engine right here. Boom. Yeah. So we're about to light it off, guys. It's gonna be awesome. So keep it tuned right here. Lots more coming. Smash that subscribe button, like button. Catch you next time.